Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a questionnaire in Google Forms. Firstly, go to forms.com and select a blank form. Click Untitled Form at the top. Just name your survey, for example, Customer Satisfaction Survey, and add a description if needed. Now, click the Add Questions and select question types like multiple choice, short answer, etc. Now enter your questions and customize response types to match your needs. Then click Customize Theme, the paint palette icon to choose a theme, colors, and fonts that match your brand or style. Now, just click the eye icon to preview to uncheck for errors, then click Send to share via email or link. And that's it guys, you'll find plenty of time to customize your survey or questionnaire before exporting. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.